As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two portable propane grills, right? The Charbroil Grill2Go X200, ASINB 00BFPMLI8, and the Blackstone 17 inches tabletop griddle, ASINB 0083GOYGO.
Yep, I've been eyeing both for camping trips. What jumps out at you initially?
Well, the Charbroil is a bit cheaper, currently around $148, while the Blackstone is about $110. But the Blackstone is Amazon's choice, so that's something.
Good point. What about the cooking surface? I want to make sure I can cook enough for the whole family.
The Blackstone has a slightly larger cooking area, 267 square inches versus the Charbroil's 200. That extra 67 square inches could make a difference.
Okay, good to know. What about BTU output? Is one hotter than the other?
The Blackstone actually has a higher BTU rating at 12,500 compared to the Charbroil's 9,500. So theoretically it should heat up faster and get hotter.
That makes sense. But is one easier to clean? I hate scrubbing grills after a long day.
The Charbroil boasts stainless steel grates that are a snap to clean. The Blackstone has a rear grease management system, which should minimize mess. But it's a griddle, so it might need a bit more initial seasoning.
That's a trade-off. Portability is key for me. Are they similar in size and weight?
The Charbroil is a bit bulkier, weighing in at 20 pounds with dimensions of roughly 24 inches x 15 inches x 14. The Blackstone is lighter at 17.5 pounds and a little smaller, about 17 inches x 22 inches x 9.
Okay, so the Blackstone is slightly more compact and lighter, which is a plus. Anything else?
The Charbroil uses TRU-Infrared cooking, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook more evenly. It also has a temperature gauge on the lid. The Blackstone, on the other hand, is a flat-top griddle, so you can cook things like pancakes and smash burgers easily.
That's a tough one. I like the idea of the griddle for breakfast, but the even cooking of the Charbroil sounds appealing too. I think I need to decide if I want a grill or a griddle.
Exactly. It really comes down to your preferred cooking style and what you plan to cook most often. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.